Going back to school means adjusting to a lot of shifts all at once. New classrooms, new dorm cubes, and suddenly a lot of intense pressure to figure out what you fit in. Because of this re-entry friction, the first few weeks of the term are usually when social tension peaks. But let's get one thing straight. When someone systematically targets you, mocks your grades during ranking announcements, or tries to isolate you from your friends, that isn't a disagreement, it is bullying. Bullying isn't a friendship issue, it is a power gap. It happens when someone uses physical, verbal, or social tactics to control the environment because deep down, they feel completely powerless or stressed out by their own life. Their behavior is a mirror of their issues, not a reflection of your worth. Now, let's talk about the drama that follows you home on your phone. Cyberbullying is tricky because it doesn't stop at the school gate. We often treat WhatsApp group or TikTok comments like private space, but here is your first decision skill. Use the assembly test. If you wouldn't stand at the podium during Monday morning assembly and say those exact words in the microphone in front of your principal in the whole school, do not type it. And if you find yourself targeted by a shady meme, a leak, or an anonymous post, do not panic and do not fight back. Activate the stop, save, block protocol. 1. Do not engage. Deterioration just feeds the drama. 2. Do not just delete. Take a screenshot immediately. That is your hard evidence. 3. Block them. Cut off the toxic signal from your mental space. If your blood is boiling, use the 24-hour rule. Type your meanest response in your personal notes app and wait a full day. Once your brain cools down, you realize saving yourself from a disciplinary case was a smarter move. So, what happens when you see this happening to someone else? In school, there's a heavy fear of being called a snitch, but according to behavioral science, there's a massive ethical difference between snitching and reporting. Let's run the intent test. Snitching is when you expose a peer for a minor, harmless rule infraction just to get them into trouble or to score points with a teacher. Reporting is when you speak up to get a peer out of trouble or to stop actual psychological or physical harm. Bullies rely on fake code of silence to keep their power. Breaking that silence isn't betrayal, it is enforcing a boundary. You do not have to be a martyr or confront a cyberbully publicly. Use low-key profile tactics, drop an aside note in the suggestion box, or talk to a student leader you actually trust. Finally, let's rebrand a place most students misunderstand: the Guidance and Counseling Department. GNC is your neutral corner, the one place in school where you aren't being graded, judged, or ranked. While the disciplinary committee focuses on rules and punishment, the counseling department focuses on strategy and safety. They can help you facilitate a silent peace treaty with a rival without anyone losing face. Think of the Guidance and Counseling Department as a skill-building hub. Go there proactively to learn how to process exam anxiety, handle intense home expectation, manage conflict like a pro. This time, don't just survive the social pressure. Master the mechanics, protect your peace, and look out for one another.